This video focuses on the user-defined performance map compressor model with 20 coefficient models. In the VapCyc compressor models Part 1 video, available on our Optimized Thermal Systems website, we have discussed how to use the user-defined performance map compressor model, but it was not specific for 20 coefficient models. As discussed in the same video, a 20 coefficient model is used for a variable speed compressor and takes into account the RPM of the compressor. This example will use a very basic equation, TEF plus TCF plus RPM, for both mass flow rate and power consumption. As you can see, as soon as the Edit Properties window recognizes that the variable RPM has been entered, a box labeled Variable Speed shows up, where a speed can be entered, say 3000 RPM. One should make sure that the mass flow rate is entered in units of kilograms per second, since other models deal with mass flow rate in terms of pounds per minute. Appropriate conversion factors should be included if this is not the case. Once the equations are entered, click on Check Equations for VapCyc to check for potential mistakes. Values for motor efficiency, power correction factor, mass flow rate correction factor, and superheat temperature can also be altered. Under the Calculate tab, values can be entered to see if the results make sense. Both SI units and English units are available.